Hello, I'm Michael Neese, and I'm here to show you how to reduce your vegetable waste and turn it into more vegetables and help stretch your food dollars. There's two main groups of vegetables that we can grow from our kitchen waste. They're the ones that sprout, and then there are the ones with seeds. For sprouting vegetables, we're going to cut them about 2 inches from the base. On an onion, you have the sprouting end and the root end. And in garlic, you just have individual cloves. And on a potato, the sprouts come from these, which are eyes. And if you're like me, there's always that one potato at home that's rolled to the back of the drawer, and you find it with sprouts anyway. Those eyes are easier to cut out and easier to replant. And once you have these prepared and cut, you're going to transfer them to a bowl of water for 5 days to a week until it starts to sprout. Once it's started to sprout, you can add it to the soil, and then you'll have more celery, lettuce, onion, garlic, potato. Now, seed plants, you need to cut into thin slices so that you expose the seeds. Then the seeds and that slice all get planted. Things like tomatoes, peppers, and other seed plants grow bigger, so you're going to need to use bigger pots or nice 5-gallon buckets if you're growing indoors. Right, so let's cut some vegetables.